Hi guys, welcome to our podcast. So, right now, we will have a discussion about moments in everyday life. Before that, let me introduce our guest. First one is Iman. Hi Iman.
Hi Azim.
The second one is Amir.
Hi Azim.
Alright, the first question. What exactly does the term moment mean?
Alright, in physics, a moment is the turning effect of a force applied to an object, calculated as the product of the force and the perpendicular distance from the pivot point to the line of action of the force.
Ah, I see. Now I understand what a moment is. Alright, can you give an example of how the concept of moment is applied in our everyday life?
Yes, of course. One example that we can take is a wheel. The wheel shown in this image can serve as an example of the concept of moment in physics. Many must be wondering, how can a wheel be used as an example for the concept of moment in physics? Here's the answer. When you apply force to the handles or edges of the wheel, you are exerting a force at the same distance from its central axis. This force, combined with the radius of the wheel, creates a turning moment, causing the wheel to rotate. The larger the radius, the greater the moment for the same force. If you apply force closer to the center of the wheel, the moment will be smaller, making it harder to turn the wheel. Applying force at the outer edges increases the perpendicular distance, making it easier to rotate the wheel as the moment increases.
I get it right now. So basically, this will exemplifies how torque is generated and how both force and distance influence rotational motion, illustrating the principles of moment in physics. Alright, the last question. Is there any connection between the concept of moment in physics with Akli and Nakli?
Yes, of course there is. Let me explain it to you. Based on Akli knowledge, the concept of the moment is grounded in scientific principles. The wheel illustrates how applying a force at a distance from the pivot creates torque, which causes rotation. This understanding can be applied in engineering, machinery, and everyday tools like steering wheels and pulleys. From Nakli knowledge, we can mention about the reflection on creation. The wheel's design and its efficiency remind us of Allah's creation and wisdom. The Quran emphasizes pondering over creation, and He has subjected to you whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth, all from Him. Indeed, in that are signs for people who give thought. Surah Al-Jasiyah, verse 13. The rotation of the wheel, a simple yet profound phenomenon, can remind us of the order and balance in the universe. For the ethical use of knowledge, the understanding of moment and thought should be used to benefit humanity, align with Islamic teachings of service, other and contributing to societal well-being. For example, designing tools and systems to ease human effort reflects the principle of maslahah, which is public interest in Islamic jurisprudence.
Wow, I've never thought about that before. Truly amazing is the creation of Allah. Alright, with that, our podcast comes to the end.